So to make a block, you're first gonna hit plus in the block, and then call it whatever you want. I'm just gonna call mine Starlight. Now to make the textures, you can either make one on here, or you can make them using whatever else you use for pixel painting and stuff. I'm gonna find an even lighter one, just to use as the last little very light grays. Yeah, there we go. And you just save that. Just give it some new texture. I'll call it Starlight. Oh, forgot no caps. Starlight or block. And you just X that out. Should be there. That'll be the side. Top and bottom. Just use the same one. No, I just don't worry about most of these things. Transparency, if you want to be transparent and stuff, and particle textures and stuff. I don't worry about bounding boxes. Then you have your in-game name for the block here. Material, I want it to rock. Yeah, just rock for me. Yeah, rock. Put under natural blocks. Now harness is how long it takes to mine like dirt. It takes barely any. 1. I'll put it at a 3. Resistance is, pretty sure it's the blast resistance. Yeah. Just put that at a 5. Slipperiness, same. Jump. These only for if you want to go to jump higher on it, move faster on it, like slower on it. Slipperiness, like ice. Yeah. Luminance. I don't know, this is for like glowing. Light opacity, how much light goes through it and stuff. I don't need any of those. I don't want to be able to walk through it. No gravity. No glow. No. Custom drop. I think I wanted to drop. I'll not just leave it, yeah. Custom drops. You just leave that if you want to drop itself. You can also use a loot table that you would then make, but that's not what I'm going to use. The creative, not the creative pick item. To able to destroy it. This is if you want to be like, I want this to be a pickaxe. I want it to have to be a stone iron. Just iron pickaxe. So I'll just do it 2. And you want to make sure it's required, otherwise it doesn't really matter. Unbreakable, like just bedrock. And I'll sound set or just take stone. Don't worry about it. I don't have to worry about any of these. Yeah. Oh, no. Don't want to have any energy or fluid storage. I don't need any triggers for this specific thing. I'm going to be doing a video on procedures too, and that's where we'll get into this kind of a thing. And generation. Blocks this can replace. I'll just leave it how it is. I'll do any stone. Dimensions generated, leave empty disk. I want that to spawn in the surface, or you know, the nether at the end. I just want to spawn on the surface though. Probably just I want it to be a little more rare than iron. Iron's 20, so I'll do like I'll do 13. 15. Average number 16. There's no way that's, yeah, iron's only 9. How is iron 9 though? That still seems a little high. I don't usually find that much iron. Usually I find 2 or 4, 8. Set it to 6, I guess. Generation height. I'll just leave that at what it is. Oh no, not, yeah, just leave that how it is. And I want it to be a little lower actually, minus 64. 64. And I'll make it up to 64. Yeah. And that's really it. You just save it, and yeah, there it is. So it should spawn when you go into a game. It should just spawn somewhere. You have to find it though, and it should be in the creative tab and stuff. So that's a block.